Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for Warehouse Management. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a zone for items in the warehouse. So right now I've got my list of locations open and I'm going to select the white warehouse. And the reason I'm going to do that is because it's already been set up to help with what I'm going to show you today. So as you can see here, it's already been directed, put away, and pick that has been selected for this purpose. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the zones and we're going to create a new zone. Now, if you want to know how to create a new zone from scratch, I did another video on that. The link is in the description down below, so make sure you check that video out. So here in my list of zones, you can see we've got different zones for that warehouse, whether it is adjustment, bulk, cross-dock, and so on. So I'm going to create a new one. Let's say I'm going to call this one demo. And in the description, I'm going to say the demo zone. And then in the bin type code, this is where I will use a put pick code. And then in the warehouse class, you can choose to ignore it for the moment, or you can go ahead and select one of the options. And in the special equipment, I would say the same. You can choose to add it if you want to. And then in this zone ranking, I'm going to put 80 as a default number here. Again, the zone ranking, very important to assign the priority of your bins in a specific zone. So there you have it. I've created a zone that is for specific items in the warehouse. So you can go ahead and try this on your own in your Business Central platform and create zones for specific items. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to also comment and share it. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.